If I told you Apple is putting a brand new generation processor in their cheapest upcoming Mac Mini and an older processor in their expensive, high-end model, you'd probably think I'm crazy, right? But the latest supply chain leaks from Bloomberg have just shaken the entire tech industry. Apple threw their old roadmap in the trash, and the 2026 Mac Mini is finally going to end Apple's biggest tech scam. The 256GB era is officially dead. You probably spent all summer waiting for the new Mac Mini to drop. Everyone thought it was just delayed, but the truth is way darker and weirder than a simple delay. In today's video, we are breaking down the leaked specs that will make those massive Windows AI desktops look like ancient history. But there is one thing inside this machine that will scramble your brain, and a massive catch that might force you to completely change your buying plans. If you love brutal, honest tech leaks like this, hit that subscribe button right now, because you won't hear these details at any Apple event. Let's dive in. First, let's talk about the great delay. We were supposed to get the Mac Mini this summer, but suddenly, radio silence. Why? Apple didn't forget about us. Their engineers are behind closed doors trying to fix a massive bottleneck. Right now, there is a massive global shortage of RAM and memory chips. Tech giants are practically going to war over memory supply. Because of this, Apple had to rip up their release dates. The new timeline? Supply chain leaks are pointing straight to a late 2026 holiday release. Wait, don't get mad yet. Because once you hear what they are packing inside this box, you'll agree this delay is actually a massive blessing in disguise. Which brings us to our mid-video twist. For the last 10 years, Apple's naming rule was simple. The base chip for normal people, Pro for creators, and Max for those with too much money to burn. But in this new AI war, Apple has destroyed their own rules. Here is the mind-bending twist. If you buy the absolute cheapest entry-level Mac Mini, Apple is putting a brand new generation M6 chip inside. But if you pay a premium for the high-end version, you get the M5 Pro chip. Yes, an M6 in the cheap box and an M5 in the expensive one. That is not a typo. Why? The secret comes down to memory bandwidth and extreme thermal control. The unified memory architecture for the base models has been completely re-engineered, so these tiny boxes can run heavy local AI workloads without choking. And that circular air vent design? It will run this M6 at full throttle without turning your room into a sauna. Now for the news we've all been waiting years for. Apple is finally, mercifully, ending modern tech history's biggest scam. The new base model will now start with 512GB of storage. Yes, the 256GB drive is dead. You no longer have to realize 5 minutes after buying a Mac that you need to Velcro an ugly external hard drive to the top of it just to install basic software. You're getting Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 6, and a radically upgraded neural engine, so all your AI processing happens locally on your desk, not on some random cloud server. And the things that were perfect are staying exactly the same. The front-facing USB-C ports and headphone jack remain right there on the chin. No more blindly scratching the back of your Mac. And for the M5 Pro buyers, you get blazing fast Thunderbolt 5. But take a deep breath. Because the RAM shortage and the 512GB base storage upgrade come with a painful price tag. The old Mac Mini was a steal at $599, but according to reports, this new M6 beast will start at $699 or maybe even push up to $799. Oh, and I almost forgot the most hilarious part. Apple is using the exact same outer metal shell. That means the absolute worst power button in tech history will still be on the bottom of the computer. You'll still have to grab it like a hockey puck and flip it upside down just to turn it on. People will rage about it on Twitter, but honestly, when was the last time you actually shut down your Mac? If I have to lift it twice a year to get an M6 and 512GB, I will gladly flip it over. So the real reason for the delay is a part shortage, but the result is a machine that will end the storage nightmare forever. But I want to know from you, is paying $799 worth it to finally get a 512GB drive, or were you happy with the $599 256GB scam? Drop your hot takes in the comments. By the way, if you can't wait until 2026 and need a powerful machine right now, Apple's new M4 Mac Mini has some insane configuration strategies you need to know about. I broke down everything you need to know in this video right here. Click on it, and I'll see you there.